Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Man, does my hair look good. Man. Anyhow, it is Saturday. It is April 26th, 2025. Coming to you from mobile headquarters. Just checking my portfolio. Haven't done that in a while. Turbo, Turbo. In the last, I don't know, couple of months, 6 months, I don't know. I lose track. I bought it 0.004, 0.006, and 0.009. I repeat, I bought it 0.004, 0.006, give or take. There's some fractions in there, and 0.009. This thing, again, full disclosure, no one knows absolutely for sure, without a doubt, positively. A dime is a given. 35 cents is doable, and even 50 cents is possible. So that's the video, not financial advice. But I first saw Turbo at like 0.0025. Wasn't sure I wanted to jump into meme coin space. I have done it. I probably should have sold a little bit when it got to a penny, but I didn't. Anyhow, this bull run, again, a dime is a given. 30, 35 cents, totally doable, and 50 cents is possible. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. And you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.